How to share your profile link on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and search for Advanced and click on Advanced. Turn on developer mode in here. After developer mode is turned on, go to any server you have sent message in, or simply send any message. After that, click on your profile in here. Then click on three dots at the top right. Click on copy user ID. After that, you can go to any web and type in discordapp.com/users/ and then add the user ID you copied earlier. This is how to share your profile link on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.